Hey friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check your YouTube channel ID. Now there are a few ways how you can go about finding this, and I'm going to show you those ways. So the first way is by simply head over to YouTube, and once you're signed in into your YouTube account, you can simply click on view your channel here. So once you click on view your channel, this will take you over to your channel homepage, and you will be able to find your channel ID in the URL here. So as you can see, it says youtube.com/channel, and this random numbers and letters here that you're finding here is your channel ID, right? And to confirm that, I'm going to show you another way how you can check this. So the next way how you can do that is by simply clicking on customize. Now, as I said, once you logged into your Gmail account and log into your YouTube account, once you click on customize channel here, you will also find the details of your channel. So if you click on basic information here, basic info, scroll down a bit, you will find your channel URL, and here is also the channel ID, right? So you can find the channel ID right here, and this is the channel ID. Now, another way how you can easily do that, guys, is if you're at YouTube. Let me go ahead and go to YouTube. If you're at youtube.com and you're signed in, as I said, click your profile icon on the uppermost right hand side and simply click on settings. From here, click advanced settings on the left hand side, and here you will find channel ID, and as you can see, it corresponds, and this is the channel ID. So if you ever need to find your channel ID, this is where you can find it. Very easy and very simple.